A quick update on XCN here. So XCN, in the midst of a bloodbath here, again, is holding up very well. So everything I'm trying to cover here today is just kind of dying. But XCN, as we see here, 3-day chart, daily chart, wherever it is, you can see we're holding up very strongly in this pennant continuation pattern. So zooming into the 4-hour chart, just to give it a quick look, low to the high, we're still holding that 0.5 here. So this thing looks like it wants to break to the upside. So as long as you're over 3, once you break over about 3.3, we should be bullish at that point, which we are. Low to the high over the 382, bullish on that point. But we should get a nice breakout from this point. As long as you're holding up where we're holding up, if we get any kind of a close down below the 618 again and we pull all the way back down here, especially if we get this price back down to the 618 at 22, then we could possibly break down at that point. But it's looking very strong right now, I would have to say, on XCN. So XCN's a trooper here. As long as we're over the 618 consolidating, nothing looks bad. Next couple of stops up, of course, I think that this thing is headed for the 786 and then on up to about 10 cents here. So the next big move on XCN, a 90% move to 5.5, and then in between these two red lines, anywhere from 8 pennies all the way up to 10, I think is going to be the next good target before we consolidate once again. And you can see that's a 250% move almost, so not a bad run once this thing starts to break out again. And then of course, the high targets here, if this thing's going to come up here and hit 1272 at about 88 pennies, that is another almost 30x on XCN to make it up that high. So what are your thoughts? Comment down below. None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.